In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove header and footer in WPS Office. If you're editing a document and want a cleaner layout without extra text appearing at the top or bottom of each page, this guide will walk you through the process clearly and smoothly. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to access the header and footer areas and remove them properly across the entire document. To begin, open your document in WPS Office and make sure it is fully visible on your screen. Headers and footers are considered hidden areas, so the first thing you need to do is adjust the view so they're easier to access. Go to the View tab and select the option that allows you to see multiple pages at the same time. This layout makes it easier to identify where the header and footer are located and ensures you are editing the correct areas. Once the document is displayed clearly, move to the Insert tab. In this section, you will find the option related to headers and footers. Click on this option to activate header and footer editing mode. When this mode is enabled, the header area at the top of the page and the footer area at the bottom will become selectable. Start with the header section. Click directly on the header text so it becomes highlighted. After selecting it, press the Delete key on your keyboard to remove the content. This action clears the header from the document. Next, scroll down slightly and click inside the footer area. Just like before, select the footer text and press Delete on your keyboard. This will remove the footer content as well. At this point, both the header and footer text should be gone. To exit header and footer editing mode, simply double-click anywhere inside the main body of the document. Once you do this, the document will return to normal editing view. You will now see that the header and footer have been completely removed from all pages in the document, not just the first one. Take a moment to scroll through your document to confirm that the changes have been applied correctly. Removing headers and footers helps keep your document clean, especially when they are no longer needed or were added by mistake. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.